Welcome students in BA part first. In our last video, we have discussed about the introduction of our first story, that is Some Words with a Mummy. As the theme of this story and complete structure as well as its subject matter, we discussed that although as per structure and style it presented as a story, but surely after complete analysis of this story, we can say that it is an experiment related to science, a very unique experiment that was presented by Edgar Allan Poe, and through this story, we discussed about the complete structure of Egyptian culture and tradition, in which the definition of a mummy, as we described already, is a dead body that keeps safe for a long years, having different type of oils and chemicals. And one thing that is also important related to this story, that the story is not written by storyteller, and it is not the production of Edgar Allan Poe's personal thinking and sentiments. Edgar Allan Poe is the representative of the story. He represents the story, but the complete story was told by a narrator, and narrator is the speaker of this poem. That is the point to be noticed. The narrator of this story is the storyteller. He completely speaks the story, and the story deals with an experiment. It is the experiment upon mummy. In our last two videos related to this story, Some Words with a Mummy, we discussed already that there was a mummy, and today in this story it will be experimented, and after experiment the first two discoveries that was completed in our last videos. The first discovery was this, that it covered with three different type of layer. After one by one, all three layers removed, and then it described by the narrator, it mentioned by storyteller that the body was looking something safe and clean. Means there was more hope of its positiveness, that it can be relived now, it can be rebirthed now, and we can make it live again. Second important research discovery that was coming till now is the name of that dead body was also presented. First it may be mentioned upon the box, and then the first discovery says that his name was El Misticchio. So we clearly confirm that the body of that mummy was very fine and good condition, and then the name of that person on which he means the Dr. Ponnonner is going to experiment, that name is El Misticchio. Dr. Ponnonner is the head of that medical team, that leader of the laboratory, and with the complete company he is going to experiment upon the body. We know it also that like storyteller, various types of the people also available there, as the experiment will be started at 11. This was the mention code as received by the letter to narrator. So we know that the experiment will start at 11 at night. So till 11 at night, the complete excited gathering was there, and narrator also reached there. And in our last video, we have started the text. So you are requested to open your book as we starting decide that prose and fiction, and the story is presented in various pages. Then we finally decide that we will read only its summary, and the first paragraph of its summary is complete, and we hope second is also completed. Now we are coming on the third paragraph of story. In this video, we will start from third paragraph. In first two paragraphs, two important matters, that is first the structure of mummy. how it structured, that is important. And second, the identification of mummy, that is also completed. He was artistic. So these two research, these two discovery already completed by Edgar Allan Poe, and now he is presenting something more and going forward about the research about an experiment upon mummy. Now reserve. The narrator takes notice of the time as the doctor is laying out his instruments for the dissection, and the man agreed to adjourn for the night as it is already past 2 in the morning. Yes. The narrator takes notice. Narrator, that is used for the narrator who is telling the story, and we are now reading the story of narrator. The narrator takes notice the time as the doctor is laying out his instruments. At the time when the doctor is properly prepared, ready to start the experiment. So the time was also noticed by narrator as well as other company. So the time that was 2 a.m. you can say the morning, early morning time of the next day. So 11 they started and now there is 2. After 3 hours, all these type of the discoveries completed. अब क्या होता है कि the doctor is laying out his instruments for this section, and the man agreed to adjourn for the night at it is already past 2 in the morning. Yes. अब जो कंपनी थी that is you can say very late now, and they wanted that it should be adjourned now and the experiment will be started for the next. But what happened, we know that it is the regular and non-stop task, and according to the suggestion of doctor, it was happened that they regularly continued the task. As the man began to distress, as the man began to distress, अब जैसे ही लोग ये देखते हैं कि भाई अब ये एडजोर्न हो रही है, स्थगित हो रही है एक्सपेरिमेंट, तो जैसे ही डिस्प्रेस होने लगते हैं, बिखरने, मतलब ready to move, means they just want to observe this experiment tomorrow, and then they just start to move there. One suggests, suddenly what happened? Among the company, there is one person like narrator, or there may be another person. There is no mentioning about the name. One person suggests experimenting with a voltic pipe. तब क्या हुआ कि this happened that वो जाने वाले तो थे, but they stand there suddenly. What happened there? There happened that the company का जो one person था, he just informed that a very fantastic or a very, you can say, excited information. Suddenly, what happened, as they all are ready to move, one person from that particular company informed a very excited information. What was that? वो information क्या थी? One suggests experimenting with voltic pipe flow. Voltic volt, like electricity. तो उस व्यक्ति ने कहा, one person suggested that there is now a unique experiment that will be done after some time. So that experiment that we just going to start, that experiment is the experiment related to volt. It is related to a flow of electricity. So this was a very excited experiment, and this information suddenly changed the mood of all company. What was their mood? Their mood, their mentality. What they decided before some time? They decided before some time that we just search out, we just observe this experiment tomorrow, and it should be adjourned today now, because we are very late, and then they are ready to move from the home of doctor. But this type of information, that is very excited information, and suddenly they change their decision, because excitement can do everything. This is the power of excitement. This is the power of eagerness, that they mostly wanted it, and this was the most focused excitement matter for them, then they just want to stay here, and their decision to leave the home of doctor is now breakdown. They must stay here, and they just observe, and they are very excited to observe this type of electricity experiment upon the mummy. इसके बाद उन्होंने लिखा है, as the man, the excitement of using electricity. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का जो एक्साइटमेंट है, इसका जो प्रयोग वो करेंगे ऑन द बॉडी पे of a mummy dead for thousands of years proved so much of a temptation. Like fast eagerness, fast excitement to know anything, very curious of mind. So at that time they completely want to know what will be happen when the electricity will supply to the body. What will be the reaction? What will be the effect and the result upon that mummy at the time when electricity will supply in the body? So they are very tempted. Like they are very excited to observe. For men and they began preparation at once. Means डॉक्टर्स का जो सजेशन था, उस सजेशंस को all they are agreed to accept, and now it happened that the doctor will complete the experiment, because as they just want to go, the doctors this information done by a man created them again ready, means they again ready to observe about the experiment. This was the suggestion that was given by the doctor, that today's experiment is very unique and stay here so that we can complete our experiment. Before 3 years we have completed every type of instrumental need there, so it will be more easy to complete it. Otherwise there is again time wasted to complete preparation related to this experiment. So the doctor's speech, the doctor's decision finally accepted by the companions, and then it was the time to start the experiment. Next, at once is used for suddenly, immediately they just gathered again here and ready for observation of experiment. That is used for at once. They make incision into mummy's temple, big toe and nose on the order to supply electricity to the muscles underneath the surface. Yes, there are 3 types of the part from where the electricity was going into the body. Means 3 types of the body was breakdown, and 3 types of the hole prepared in body so that the electricity will enter into the body. This was the mission of the doctor. It was the idea of doctor that after 3 types of the part of body, if we are crossing, if we supply the flow, the wave of electricity, then we can finally decide about the experiment. So this was a very great experiment, and 3 types of the part from where the electricity is going into the body. These 3 are important. You must know, one is from top part, that is using from nose, second is from ear, and third is from bottom part. Going top to bottom, according to the definition of scientific research and scientific experiment, it was decided by the doctor that from top, 2 sides from top and 1 side from down, and a hole is prepared after operated the body, break down the body, cut down the body, and then electricity is ready to start inside. Yes, अब electricity just supplied into the body turn by turn. It is not happen that every time in every position from all these 3 parts of body will be supplied electricity. No, turn by turn and part by part orderly the electricity will be supplied. Now to observe, when electricity was applied to the temple, you know, the boundary of the ear, at the time when first experiment of that electricity, it was the supply of electricity through temple. So what reaction created by the mummy? at the time when electricity was supplied through the temple, what excitement? Excitement result आया, the mummy closed its eyes. Very interesting result. Very excited, wonderful result. When the electricity first time crossed, supplied into the body of that mummy through the ear, it happened that the mummy whose eyes may be open, because now it returned that closed its eyes, means before some time it was opened and now the eyes of mummy closed just at the electricity supplied through the temple. Very excited result. This disputed the man, disputed, very fear, very tension in the mind of the man. But the doctor continued. But the work of doctor, the task of doctor is now continued. Why the public, the man, the companions, like narrator and other companies are, that is available there, why they have freed? They have freed that the first side in their mind, as the body just closed its eyes, they thought that the body is now totally expired and not in condition to relive. So they fear, they have freed. उनको डर इस बात का लगा कि as the eye closed means the story related to this movie complete. No, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं था, because the doctor knows everything about every topic. Doctor knows everything about every topic. The man, but the doctor continued. डॉक्टर ने जारी रखा लगातार. When it was applied to the toe, इसके बाद डॉक्टर toe से अप्लाई करेगा. तो इसका मतलब डॉक्टर को अपोजिट साइड जाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि अभी जो एक्सपेरिमेंट हुआ था उसमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सप्लाइड थ्रू द पार्ट ऑफ टो. नाउ डॉक्टर डाइवर्टेड टुवर्ड्स टो एंड द मम्मी किक्ड द डॉक्टर. एक्सपेरिमेंट का रिजल्ट देखिए. एज द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी सप्लाइड थ्रू द टो, as the electricity supplied through the toe, its pressure you can see, the power of the body you can see, the physical strength and stamina of that mummy you can say, same as the electricity supplied into the body. What happened? The mummy kicked the doctor. The jumps of leg, jumps of leg, पैरों ने इतना तगड़ा जंप लगाया कि डॉक्टर किक्ड, डॉक्टर एकदम किक लग गई. द डॉक्टर विद सच फोर्स, और इतने बल शक्ति के साथ, दैट ही वाज थ्रोन थ्रू द विंडो. नाउ द पोजीशन ऑफ डॉक्टर इज वेरी विजिबल. द पोजीशन ऑफ डॉक्टर इज वेरी विजिबल बिकॉज जस्ट आफ्टर द किक ऑफ दैट मम्मी, डॉक्टर क्रॉस्ड थ्रू द विंडो एंड आउटसाइड फ्रॉम द लैबोरेटरी. You can think idea what power there was in, or what stamina or what physical strength there was in that mummy. After collecting the doctor, कंपनी क्या करेगी? डॉक्टर जो मेन था वो बाहर चला गया, तो दे फियर, हो सकता है कुछ भी इनके साथ हादसा न हो जाए. दे थॉट अबाउट इट एंड जस्ट कलेक्ट द डॉक्टर अगेन. डॉक्टर को बेचारे को उठा करके लाए फ्रॉम आउटसाइड, बाहर से लाए, एंड मैन गो बैक टू वर्क ऑन द मम्मी एंड नाउ दे अगेन रेडी टू वर्क ऑन द मम्मी. तो इट मे हैपन दैट, ऐसा हो सकता है कि आफ्टर किकिंग द बॉडी में बी साइलेंट अगेन, और हो सकता है कि द बॉडी इन द पोजिशन ऑफ डूइंग, वी डोंट नो एनीथिंग बिकॉज द कंपनी जस्ट कमिंग आउट एंड ही जस्ट कलेक्ट एंड केयर अबाउट द डॉक्टर. And now they just take the doctor inside the room, and हो सकता है he suggested to take something more experiment about the body. हो सकता है the body is now acting, हो सकता है the body is silent today. तो अभी उसके बारे में कुछ नहीं पता, क्योंकि we know that there are three type of the supply plan. ये जो supply का प्लान था that is from three side of the plan था, और अभी one side is also empty, तो वहां से अभी एक सप्लाई होनी बाकी थी. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, अब आफ्टर दैट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वाज अप्लाइड टू इट्स नोज. अब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नोज से डाली गई. दिस कॉज द मम्मी टू ओपन इट्स आईज. अगेन जो आंखें पहले ये एक्सपेरिमेंट में बंद हुई थी वापस ओपन हो गई एंड ब्लिंक रैपिडली. ब्लिंक पोजीशन ऑफ अप डाउन, स्टार्टिंग ऑफ लाइफ. means in the position as the human living being, as the living human being. इस इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से क्या हुआ, द मम्मी जस्ट ओपन इट्स आईज, आईज खुल गई और झपकने भी लगी. इट हैज स्नीज्ड, वो बहुत तेज छींक आई. एक्टिव पोजिशन. सेट अप एंड शॉ इट्स फिस्ट, मुक्का, एट द डॉक्टर. वेरी एक्साइटेड सी. उसके बाद सडनली मम्मी सेटअप एंड जस्ट मेक, यू कैन से दैट he wanted to kill the doctor. Why? The electricity supplied upon a living human being, and the body is now in the position, and we understand that अब उसकी पोजीशन में एक्टिव पोजीशन है, वो एकदम बैठ गया और उसने अपना मुक्का एकदम डॉक्टर के ऊपर लगाने वाला था, बिकॉज ही डोंट नो एनीथिंग. अब उसको रिमाइंड कराया जाएगा कि यू आर ए मम्मी. अब वो बैठ गया. तो नाउ द टाइटल ऑफ स्टोरी इज स्टार्ट some words with the mummy, and now they will start to speak with mummy, क्योंकि अब mummy is in the position of speaking. In our next video we will start about they speaking to each other. Thank you.